Hey, what's up, guys? It's Charlie Hustle here. If you're looking for quick and easy ways to make money online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm revealing secret websites that can help you start earning fast. These aren't your typical survey sites, these are real opportunities to make extra cash online. So stick around because you won't want to miss this. Number 1, usertesting.com. First up, we have usertesting.com, a hidden gem where you can make money by simply testing websites and apps. Companies want real people to give feedback and they'll pay you for it. How to get started? Visit www.usertesting.com and sign up as a tester. Complete a sample test to demonstrate your feedback skills. Once approved, start receiving tests based on your profile. Follow the instructions carefully and record your screen while giving verbal feedback. Submit the test and get paid $10 for every 20-minute test via PayPal within 7 days. Pro tip, be as detailed and natural as possible when speaking. The more thorough your feedback, the more tests you'll get. Perfect for anyone with a laptop and internet connection. No special skills required. Number 2, rev.com. Next, if you have good listening skills, rev.com pays you to transcribe audio or caption videos. You don't need experience, just type what you hear. How to get started? Go to www.rev.com and click on Become a Freelancer. Apply for a transcription, captioning, or subtitle role. Take a small assessment to test your skills. Once accepted, browse available projects and start working. Earn 30 cents to $1.10 per minute of audio and get paid weekly via PayPal. Pro tip, invest in good headphones and use transcription software like Otter.ai to speed up your work. Great for anyone who wants to work from home and make quick cash. Number 3, TaskRabbit. If you like hands-on work, TaskRabbit is for you. It connects you with people in your area who need help with small jobs, from furniture assembly to running errands. How to get started? Visit www.taskrabbit.com and sign up as a tasker. Create a profile highlighting your skills, moving, cleaning, assembling furniture, etc. Set your rates and availability. Receive job requests from people in your area and accept the ones you like. Complete the task and get paid directly through the platform. Some people make over $1,000 a week just doing side gigs. Pro tip, choose high demand categories like furniture assembly, mounting TVs, or moving help to get more gigs. Perfect for anyone looking for quick local cash. Number 4, Merch by Amazon. Want to make passive income? Try Merch by Amazon. You can design and sell t-shirts, hoodies, and more without handling inventory or shipping. How to get started? Apply for an account at merch.amazon.com. Approval may take time. Once accepted, create high-quality designs for t-shirts, hoodies, and other products. Upload your designs and set pricing. Amazon will list your products, print them on demand, and handle shipping. You earn royalties on every sale with no upfront costs. Pro tip, use free design tools like Canva or hire freelancers on Fiverr to create stunning designs. Number 5, flexjobs.com. Looking for remote work? FlexJobs is the best site to find legitimate, remote, part-time, and freelance jobs. How to get started? Visit www.flexjobs.com and create an account. Browse thousands of remote job listings. Apply directly to verified job postings. Get hired and start earning from home. Pro tip, create a strong resume tailored for remote work opportunities and avoid job scams by using trusted job boards. Number 6, Bonanza. Bonanza is a great alternative to eBay where you can sell everything from clothing to electronics and even digital products. How to get started? Sign up at www.bonanza.com. Create your online store and list your products. Set competitive prices and optimize your listings with SEO. Promote your products through social media and paid ads. Start selling and earn profits. Pro tip, import listings from eBay or Amazon to Bonanza for a wider reach and use high quality images to attract more buyers. Number 7, stock photo sites. Got a camera? Sell your photos on Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Alamy. How to get started? Sign up as a contributor on multiple stock photo sites. Upload high-resolution, unique images. Use keyword-rich titles and descriptions to get more visibility. Earn royalties every time someone downloads your work. Pro tip, focus on in-demand categories like business, technology, and lifestyle for better sales. Number 8, Society 6. Society 6 is a great site to sell custom artwork on prints, home decor, and tech accessories. How to get started? Sign up at www.society6.com. Upload your artwork and choose products to sell. Optimize your store with SEO-friendly descriptions. Society 6 prints and ships items for you. And there you have it, 8 secret websites that can help you start making money online. Whether you want to test websites, sell products, or work remotely, these platforms can help you turn your free time into cash. Now, I want to hear from you. Which website are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more money making tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. That's it for today, guys. Stay motivated, keep hustling, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.